how to buy manipulated time token. So this token came under the symbol of time. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created 9 hours ago and increased by 400% in less than 4 hours. And also this token trending number 8 in this Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, now that click here on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now I click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is also gonna click on it, and now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see here. After that, click on price and click on provider. Now select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back, and here you will be able to see a swap. Click on it. Now after that, you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy time token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.